Good afternoon, traders. It's Erica at Alpha E-Trades. It is Tuesday, June 29th, almost 1 p.m. here in the States. Real quick, want to do a quick video. We don't have a whole heck of a lot going on. A little sideways here. ES, we're positive 4 points. NQ, positive 37. RTY, super flat, negative 2. Real quick, want to take a look here at some potential longer term charts that we have. This is the monthly chart here, traders. So we are moving and grooving here on the swing trade. Let's take a look here. So this is the swing that we're using from a monthly perspective on ES here, traders. So this was our breach point. Now let's take a look here. Now I was anticipating for the market to hit these all-time highs at the 76.4 and pull back slightly, but we have not yet here. Ultimately here, traders, I'm targeting 45.97. Now again here, this is the monthly chart. So we do get pullbacks. Okay, we are in an uber bullish market here. But essentially here, if we take a look here, so this is our first pullback here. Now usually we go in 3 sequences, so what I was anticipating, but we have not attempted this just yet here, was something like this here for some type of retracement, and then that would be a textbook picture perfect trade, so to speak. However, though, no signs of a pullback just yet. They've been pretty shallow. So I wanted to give you the visual and what we're looking at from a monthly perspective here. Okay, so again here, ultimately, all-time highs is what we're looking at here at 45.97. But when we get here is the question. We don't know. Again here, because we could see the market pull back into the, let's take a look at where the breach line was here. Let's stretch this up. Okay, so this is the breach line, and this has taken us almost back into the 37 level. Now, as if we will get some type of that far of a retracement, we don't know. Let's throw in some fibs here from here to here. Let's take a look hypothetically. 61.8 is just about at the same area here. But again, it is possible that we could come down to the 38.2 and then take off again here. So just wanted to point out the monthly chart. It is a bullish pattern that we have targeting the 45.97, but we do get intraday pullbacks, sometimes pullbacks for the week. We're not there yet, but that's what we'll keep an eye on and work as we progress through these summer months. So again, traders, that is the monthly. Nothing on the daily chart. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. Okay, we do have a pattern here that was triggered to the upside. The target is 43.03. Okay, so let's take a look. This is the 4-hour chart. So this is what was triggered right here. Here were our sellers here at the 42.27. Same scenario though here, traders. Now we really haven't gotten a test back into these moving averages. 42.58 is the 200. We could essentially even come down to test this breach point here at the 42.30 level. So again, nothing is happening here from a pullback perspective here. So the 4-hour target that we're looking at is 43.03. If we'll pop up here and then get the pullback, we just don't know yet. Okay, so that's what I've got going on the longer term time frames for ES. Should be curious on how we go if we hit that 43 all-time high psychological level, or if we attempt to have a mini pullback or not. So again, know your time frames and what you're trading is super important, because you could be short on the 5-minute chart, but overall the overall trend on ES is certainly up, with the ultimate target we have of 45.97 here on that monthly chart. NQ, we did have a trade, but we've already hit the 100 extension here, traders. It was long. Let's take a look. Some of you took this earlier. Here was our buyers. Our target was 14.538. We do have a target 2 here at the 14.562, but we're running into resistance here, and the market is just kind of somewhat slowing down. Okay, so nothing concrete on NQ. It's currently already at the target 1 that it's met. RTY, let's take a look. Now potentially RTY, if the market can get some momentum here. Okay. Flat on RTY, but essentially if we can get a close back down here, traders at the 2300. Okay, so we have buyers here. This is your buyers on RTY, and here are your sellers down here. Okay, so again, tough trading when we don't have the momentum, because this sideways action, you have buyers and sellers, so you can scalp both ways. But from a swing trade perspective, we just don't have it confirmed just yet. But if the sellers were to close below 2300, then we're going to target the 2288 and then the 141 extension down at 2272. Okay, but currently we're sideways, nothing spectacular happening. So should be curious to see how we go this week before holiday, and we'll be back tomorrow to see if we're getting any type of pullback or not. Let's take a look at this 15-minute chart here. Potential, but again, this may not follow through here, traders. So if we were to hold this level here, have an invalidation level at this high, okay, using this, technically we did close, but we just have so much support down here that we're just not able to have any follow through on these pullbacks here. Now textbook perfect would be something like this, and then we get 3 legs down into target 2. But again here, traders, market can certainly, let's take a look here. We can come back and test back into the 61.8 if we want here. So little choppy trading here. Pullbacks are certainly very shallow. Again, uber bullish. That monthly chart, we do have overall target going into all-time highs back into the 4,500, but when we get there, we just don't know. So this is what we've got going on the 15-minute chart. Target 1 is the 100 extension, 42.79. Target 2, 42.76. And if we were to get back at these lows here, would be target 3, 42.72. So we'll see how we go on this particular intraday scalp, if this can follow through. Okay. And so with that being said here, traders, have a good one, and we'll be back tomorrow.